like this is the image that has been generated. If I'll click on second, the second image is generated as well. And if I'll click on this, hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel NFT Universe. Today we are going to learn about another way by which we can create a great collection of NFT art in one single go. So we don't require any coding. It is just like we have to visit one website, and I'll show you step by step how to do that. So don't skip any part, else you might not understand the steps that are required before creating your collection. Please hit like, share and subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss any notification from my channel. So first of all, what we have to take care of is we have to create our own NFT image. So with respect to NFT image, it means like what kind of art I am going to generate. So for that there might be multiple layers. So for my art, I have created multiple layers over here in the folder itself. It is my input folder, and what we'll do is we'll actually go to a site called nft-generator.art. You have to click on this site, and as you can see, it is like no code NFT collection generator. So you don't need to like write any code or anything of that sort. Just click on get started. Once you'll click on this, what you have to do is over here you can see like there are the option for like creating layers, and you have like multiple preview sections as well. And over here you can actually manage your project settings, like what you want to give as a project name, description, collection size, dimensions, and how you want to export all the images. And with respect to rarity settings, how you want to make your components more rare and not rare. So what you had to do is, first of all, as we have multiple layers in our input folder as well, so what we'll do is we'll create a similar kind of structure as over here. So what we'll do is, see over here we have background, another one is suit. So what I'll do is I'll just go and write suit. Another thing what I'll do is I have shoulder, so I'll create another layer called shoulder. Now I have another layer over here which is pin. I'll create pin. Now I have another folder over here that is skin, so I'll create another skin. I have another layer over here which is facial hair, so I'll just write facial hair. So another folder is here which is mask, so I'll write mask. Another thing what we have over here is accessories. We'll write accessories. Another thing what we have over here which is a layer that is headwear, so we'll write headwear. So what we have to do now, we have to click on the particular layer, and the image is what we have created as a layer section. In the layer section, what we'll do is we'll just drag and drop over here. So what we'll do is just click on these two images and put it over here. So both of the images are now listed on the site itself. Now I'll go to another part that is suit. So what I'll do is I'll click on these two images, just select them and paste it over here. Awesome. I'll go to shoulder. I have two PNGs over here. I'll just copy them. Let me copy them one by one now. Coming to pin section, I'll just go to pin. I have this pin, sorry for the interruption. I'll just post pin. Now going to the skin section, what I have over here, I'll just click on skull.png. Now I have facial hair. I'll click on this. I have to go to this section. I'll just drag and drop it over here. Now I have mask. What I'll do is I'll just go to mask section and just drag and drop this over here. Pretty simple, right? So again, here section, I'll just go and drop it over here. Same goes over here. Okay, now I have accessories, so let me just select these in one single go and just drop them over here. Awesome. So as you can see now, my layers have been listed on NFT-art generator. So what I'll do is I'll explain you some of the settings over here. So if I'll click on preview first, so what will it do is it will actually generate the image what it will create after executing all the layers and processing the image. So this is one kind of image that would be generated after like working upon it. So I am happy with the preview. That preview is good and I don't have any problem with it. So awesome, another preview has been generated. So what I can do is I can click on this generate collection and it will start generating the same. But let me tell you first what you can do over here is just give some name to your project. I am writing test because we are just doing a demo. So test demo, collection size, let it be 5 or we can do 8, and dimensions would be this particular. And we have two types of options to export. What I would suggest is go for PNG, not for WEP, because PNG is like universal, you can say accepted format, which would be taken by any of the trading platforms like OpenSea, and anywhere you can use it. And one more thing, you might be seeing these percentage. So what percentage it is? So these are actually the you can say like the rarity percentage. So you can actually adjust the rarity part as well. So for that, what you have to do is you have to click on advanced. Wait. Let's not go into that first. What we can do is if I'll click on sorry. So as you can see, like in the images, these percentages, when you'll click on this percentage, what will happen is over here we'll have this rarity settings. So click on it and you can actually like start to adjust the rarity part. So it is up to you how rare you want to this make this accessory, and how common you want to keep it. It is up to the individual. So I am pretty much happy with the settings. I don't have any problem with that. And there is an option of preview all. We can actually see what kind of images would be generating after the execution of this particular workflow. And as you can see, like these images are popping up, and this is one kind of output what would be generated. What I have kept it over here. If I'll keep the collection size to 55, it will create that kind of collection, but I am pretty much happy with the current collection. So let me just generate collection and run this button. So what you have to do is you have to provide your email address. So I'll just write it down, techtube781@gmail.com, and just hit enter over here. That's it. So once you'll hit enter, it will give you the option of download. And as you can see, like the whole process has been completed, and this is the download button. Click allow, and my NFT collection would be generated now. Let me go to the download section and show it to you folks. I'll go to downloads. This sample zip has been created. It has been extracted as well. If you'll go to metadata, it is just a JSON part where the you can say like the metadata information for every NFT collection has been created. If you'll go to the image section, just click on the image part. As you can see, like this is the image that has been generated. If I'll click on second, the second image is generated as well. And if I'll click on this third section as well, awesome. So as you can see, like now all the images have been generated. So I'm pretty much happy with the current workflow. I hope you learned something, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for such content. And I appreciate your time. Thanks a lot. Thanks for your time.